Look, it's snowing, guys. It's snowing.
I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Help a sister out. Anyway, so it's Saturday morning. No, actually, it's Saturday afternoon. So I'm here making breakfast, or should I say lunch, because it's almost 1 p.m. I'm going to work today. So I just decided to vlog, you know. I'm frying an egg because this is what I usually eat for breakfast. Egg, bread, cheese, and Lipton tea. My Lipton tea. I wish I never had work today because it's snowing. This is like the first time since this winter that it has actually snowed. So it's like a big deal for people this side and for myself because I don't see snow every day, you know. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited. So anyways, so the plan for today is I have a 1-hour class somewhere in Yokohama. So it's not that far from here, so that's a good thing. But it's just that it's so cold today and I don't really want to go outside, but you know, a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. By the way, please excuse my oily face. I have very dry skin, so I have to moisturize my face with oil so that it can actually stay throughout the day. Talk up to my good up brunch. Anyway, so let me talk about this this Christmas cake, fruit cake. Yeah, I bought it from a Jamaican. Her Instagram is BRB Japan. I'm gonna link it in the description box below so that if you're in Japan and you want to, you know, try out her products, you can check her out. It actually tastes really good. Anyways, I'm gonna dig in because I need to hurry so that I can go to work, go to the people that work. I actually have time because my class starts, I'm supposed to reach there like 3:30 and it's about 1 hour away. But because it's snowing and I know that my train line, the only train line that passes my train station, it usually has delays, so I don't want to chance it and be late for work. So I prefer to go there early and probably like kill time at a cafe or McDonald's or somewhere than be late for the people that work. So that's my pre right now. Umbrella check. I see I'm not the only person excited about the snow. My neighbor is taking pictures. Got my mask to protect me from these people's viruses. I'm cold, guys. I'm cold. Yeah. I wish there was more snow though, because I'm not really seeing anything. By the time I reach on the ground, it disappears. I want to see it on the ground so I can make like a snowman, you know, I'm like a child. But you know, there you go. Oh, look out over there. You can actually see it on the ground. But yeah, anyways, I'm walking to the train station. Cold. I'm early, I think. Yeah, I'm early. It's about 2 now. Yeah, it's about 2 p.m. or after 2. That's fine. Like I said, I'm gonna just go somewhere and kill time when I reach to the location, because I ain't gonna chance it. bought these in Japan. I bought them in actually a very big size because I guess Japanese have very skinny feet. So whenever I buy shoes here, most times it's too tight. It's not, it fits, but it's like it's still a little too tight because I guess they have skinny foot while my foot is a bit broader. It's hard recording with an umbrella, so I'm gonna catch you in a bit. I just finished my lesson. This is the area that I worked at today, so I am about to head to the train station, which is right over there, and I'm gonna head home. So I'll be home in about 1 hour time. I'm walking home right now and I'm super hungry, but my friend is coming over and we're gonna have pizza maybe, or KFC, I don't know. But so this is gonna be, I need to cross the road. This is gonna be a super short video because I just wanted to record the fact that it was raining this morning. We run across. Yeah, I wanted to record the fact that it was snowing, and I got to do that. So where I am in Yokohama, it doesn't snow very often because last year it only snowed for 1 day and it was like a little bit. Look at the road, there's no freaking snow. And I know people probably gonna say like, why do I want snow? But it's not like something that I'm used to. I'm at my apartment. Ugh. Close umbrella, close. Yeah, it's not like it's something that I am pretty used to. I'm used to shit. So I wanted to see more snow, but I guess that's not gonna happen. I am home, guys. I'm home, so I'm gonna just remove my stuff. I turn on my heater. My apartment is still cold because it's gonna take a while for it to heat up. But so like I was saying, this video is gonna be super short. I'll probably edit this video tonight or tomorrow and upload it tomorrow or tonight, depending on how I feel, because like I said, my friend is coming over. I need to pull up my hair. But yeah, so I know that I've been slacking off on my videos. Yeah, I know that. And there are I know some persons who are coming to Japan. They had asked me to do some videos, so I have those on my to-do list. So definitely I'm gonna be recording them pretty soon and uploading them, so just have like a patience, please, guys, because yeah, I can't bother with editing. Like, I'll record, but just to edit is like, it takes up so much time. But yeah, so much light, and surprisingly my face is still oily. Yeah, this is why I said I need to put on oil, because my skin is so dry. My face broke out in the summer. I need to get it back to what it was. So I'm trying some new products, hopefully they work. But anyways, yeah, so like I said, I'm working on, I have the videos on my to-do list, but you can always leave some more below, because yeah, what I'm gonna do is try record them in bulk and then upload them a couple days after the other. I'm tired. It's Saturday night, it's cold, it's raining, it stopped snowing, which I'm upset about, even though it's so cold. Like, this is the coldest that it has gotten. It went negative. I think it was a -1 it went, and then it said that it feels like -3. So that's how cold it was, and I had to wear gloves because my fingers were freezing off. And even though my fingers are cold, and I wash my hand with warm water like they can. You must always wash your hand when you come home, guys. Always wash your hand, because you don't know what you touch on the road, what kind of germs you carry home. The first thing that you do when you get home, you wash your hands. Okay, you sanitize your hands and take off your outside clothes. So let me tell you, yeah, because I need to stretch out this video. So I have this couch by myself, which I don't sit on this couch unless I put something over it, or unless I have my outside clothes, because when people come, people sit on this couch, and because it's not like I can say, oh, change your clothes, blah blah, I can't. So because this couch is already contaminated with outside stuff, so that's why I sit on it only if I have an outside stuff. So when I'm gonna use it and I'm not wearing outside clothes, why am I shaking up my hand, and I'm not wearing outside stuff, then I cover it with something. So that's what I do. Yeah, because sometimes germs travel, you don't know where the germs coming from, and you're the cause of it, and that's why you get sick, and that's why I don't know, I'm not gonna say that's why your face get bumpy, but I don't know what going with my face. But anyways, so this is where I'm gonna end the video, guys. Seriously, I wonder what time now. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up this video, subscribe, comment below a heart if you watched it until the end, and thank you if you did. Thanks for the support, guys.